I bet this is a red. Yeah, cast right here in front of me. Woo! Man, that's a good fight. Yeah, this one's pulling. I think it's a red. Watch out, it's going towards you. See what it is? Can you see it? It's like right here. No, it's this. I'll give you one. I have an extra one. No, I'm fine. Keep casting. Keep casting? Yeah, keep it. I'm fine. Yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah. I let it just drag on the bottom. Yeah, there's no rocks over here, so it's not gonna get caught. Oh man, hopefully it makes it. It's supposed to be 20. Oh yeah, 20. That'll keep. Yeah, it's right at 20. There's a lot of bait over there. Jumping. Huh? Yeah. There we go. Man. No, just fish, just fish. It's running towards me. Oh, okay, it's a red. Man, I thought it was a big trout. I was like, damn. All right. Do what? Yeah. That's a good size red. Yeah, you just really have to work it. You have to let it sink, and I kept feeling the stumps, and I knew there was something there. You just got to keep like running it over and let it, you know, finally like get tired and just eat it. Because they swipe at it. Yeah, there it goes. Yeah. 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 Yeah, they're in here. Oh, yeah. At 23. Good. There's a lot more bait movement up there. There's a lot of bait movement up there. There you go. Nice. Okay. Yeah, I'll help you out. You might have. Yeah, that's a good one. Okay. Oh yeah. Oh, there we go. Nice. Yeah, yeah, it was eating. When you hook them like that, they're eating. Feeding. I can put them on mine. Yeah, yeah. There we go. Yeah. Oh, there it is. Probably dolphin. Yeah. Yeah, the minimum's 15. It's 15 to 20. Limit of 3. Yeah. Yeah. There it goes. It's probably about like 19, 18.